All right, we need to find the area of this inner loop. So we need to be at the pole and moving in one direction or the other until we get to the pole again. So let's find out when we're at the pole. When is r equal to 0? So we set r equal to 0. That's when the sine of theta is 1/2, which is at 30 degrees and 150 degrees, or pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. You can verify very quickly that this graph starts here, and as you start pointing at pi over 6, as you keep rotating 2 pi over 6, you get to the origin, and then as you keep rotating, it's not till theta is 5 pi over 6 that you're at the origin again. We have our limits of integration, people. This will be the area, 1/2 radius squared d theta, from pi over 6 to 5 pi over 6. Of course, that's not one of the answer choices, so we need to do some algebra, maybe expand this binomial, and then distribute the 1/2, maybe factor out the 2. However you do it, it becomes factorable in the end, and this is equivalent to answer choice B.